Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to simply switch to motion workspace in Photoshop for HC animation in Photoshop. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, let's say for instance, you are done with your work right here and you want to animate the workflow. What you need to do is to make sure you switch your workspace to motion. And for that, go ahead and come to the top right here, click on window. Then from window, go to workspace. From workspace, make sure you switch to motion. Immediately you click on motion, you have the detail and the everything interface as the case may be change to motion right here. Then from here, you can begin to work on different layer right here and add your keyframe, add your animation. You can as well add soundtrack as the case may be. It's that simple. When you are done with whatever you want to do in motion, you can as well return back to your normal workspace in Photoshop. And for that, go ahead and click on window and then go ahead and go to workspace, then switch back to essential default right here. And you will be back without any stress. It's that simple. More useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.